Hello viewers, thanks for watching. I'm very excited because now we're gonna create a mini project. In our lesson 11, we learned about box model. There we explained about padding, border and margin. So we're gonna solve our mini project by using the knowledge we gained from our lesson 11. Let's do some practice. For that, we're gonna create a new HTML file. Click new file, put the name project.html, enter. And how to create the boilerplate, the skeleton of HTML, just type exclamatory sign and enter in VS Code. You can close the Explorer, just click on there, it will close. Let's make a relationship between style sheet. We're going to use the same style sheet, that is style.css. So under title, type link, enter. Relationship is style sheet and href should be the address of our CSS file. So start with the dot /. So what is the name? Style.css. And we're going to write our code in between this opening and closing body text. In our project, we're gonna do greeting cards. For that, we need two divs. Type div, enter. We need heading and paragraph. H2, enter. Our greetings title is Happy New Year. And after that, we need a paragraph. Type P, enter. You can write your message in between this opening and closing P text. Just type lorem 20 words, enter, save it. This is our div. Just make another div, enter. In between opening and closing div, we need h2, type h2, enter. Second greetings is for the Eid Mubarak, and paragraph, type P, enter, 20, enter. Put the class name. For the first one is card1. For the second div, class name card2. Save it, click on go live. These two are our cards. So let's go to the CSS file, style.css. For the first div, class name is card1, and for the second div, class name is card2. So if we want, we can use just div, but I want to use the class name. So class name start with a dot. First one is card1. I want to group them together. So how to do that? Just comma, second one. Start with the dot card2. Then curly braces, enter. Put the browser next to the text editor. Max width for 300 pixel. We set up the div max width 300 pixel. Padding 20 pixel. When we put just one value, it will go for the all four sides. Save it. Say left, right, top, bottom. So everywhere 20 pixel of padding creates. Dot card1, curly braces, enter. Background color for the first one, I'm gonna put blue. Card2, background color green. Save it. Both of them are stick together. I'm gonna put some margin for both of them. Margin 20 pixel. So 20 pixel margin, top, right, bottom and left. For the first one, also for the second one, we already put some padding and margin. Now let's work with the border. For the first one, border 1 pixel dashed yellow for the first one, and for the second one, border 1 pixel dotted red. Save it. For the first one, dashed. For the second one, dotted. We put just 1 pixel. That's why it looks very tiny. If you want to see them properly, then change the size. So maybe 2 pixel. And now it is a bit bigger. For the first one, I want to top left and bottom right corner a bit round. Border top left radius 30 pixel. And border bottom right radius as well 30 pixel. Save it. Top left and right bottom corner is a bit round. And for the second div, I want to make all four sizes bit round. Border radius 30 pixel. Save it. And the second one, all four corners round. So let's go to the project.html. Under the paragraph, create a button. Button type should be button. My signature. So just copy it and put for the second card as well under the paragraph. Save it. These are the two buttons for two divs. Go to style.css. On the group card 1 and card 2, text align. So we want to put everything in the middle of the card. So for that, if you want to put all of them in the middle, then we need to put text align center. Align center. Save it. Our heading to paragraph and button all are aligned in the center. Let's work with the button. Button, curly braces, enter, text color. I'm gonna put red. I want to put some padding as well. Padding 10 pixel. Save it. Text color red, and there is 10 pixel padding for both of them. Border radius, I want to make it round. Border radius 40 pixel. Save it. The four corners are, previously I told you in our lesson 11 that this came from the default settings. So these are for the all other browsers. Just ignore them, leave it as it is. On the button border there is little bit color, so I want to remove that. Type border transparent. Save it. That color is gone. I want to make the font size little bit bigger. Font size, use the medium font size, and little bit gap in between the letters. Letter spacing just 1 pixel will be fine for this small button. So there is 1 pixel gap in between the letters. So now I want to put some gap in between the letters in heading as well. Type H2 curly braces, enter, letter spacing 2 pixel. There is 2 pixel gap in between the letters. I'm gonna create another div before the heading 2. For that, let's go to project.html file. Div, I'm gonna put the class name. For the first one is sign1. So start with the dot sign1, enter. So first div created. For the second one, div dot sign2, enter. Save it. There is a div before this heading 2, but it's not showing there because we didn't put there anything in the style.css. Let's group them together. Start with the dot sign1 comma sign2 curly braces, enter. For these two divs, width 50 pixel and height as well 50 pixel. For sign1, background color is yellow green, and for the sign2 background color, let's see green. Save them. So we put the background color, that's why you can see them. I want to make them round, so the value inside this group 1. So border radius 50%. So now is full round. I want to put image in this div. So let's go to the HTML file. For card 1, in the new div, I'm gonna put the image. Type img, enter. Image address here dot / happy new year .png, and all text just put new year. In the second card, source is dot / this is the Eid Mubarak, put hug.png. Type Eid Mubarak. Save them. 2 pictures all over the places. You need to fit them in the div. Type img curly braces, enter. Need to put width 100%. Save it. You see now the picture fit in the div. These are the 2 nice cards. So you can create any kinds of card using your knowledge from box model lesson. You can print them. You can change the shape a little bit different way as well. You can put different border radius and different size. You see, there is the nice image of the greeting. Here is the heading about the occasion. After that, the paragraph, you are putting your message on the paragraph. Also at the bottom there is a space for your signature. So if you want, you can just keep it empty. I just put signature. So this is the idea how to create cards. Keep practice, you will learn more. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching and stay with me for the next video.